Hi, my name is Anubhab Goel. I head digital innovation for HDFC ERGO. We are one of the largest private general insurance company in the country, part of the group of HDFC Bank. Insurance is a business where we work a lot on data, whether it is about pricing, whether it is about customer experience, building operational efficiencies, or even the entire profitability, right? How do we price a product? So we have been using data at the core for a long time. I think the way entire cloud strategy has helped over a period of time with us. So we are a Google native company, so to say, we're a Google Cloud native company. And what we have done is we have built the entire data lake, right? And that has really enabled a lot of decision making, which is happening in real time. And our ability to detect frauds and at the same time give a superior claim experience to our customer has gone multi-fold. So I think these are the two things which are really happening. So each technology is as much as we are able to use it, right? And the whole problem with the company which are been there in the business for a long time is primarily comes from a problem of data quality, right? So it is more like garbage in, garbage out, right? So what we are seeing is that the data quality is a major issue. So though on the periphery we have done a lot of innovation with the AI technologies now, but I think the challenges which we continue to face is around how do we have the best data quality. So what we have done is we have created a center of excellence with Google Cloud, where Google helps us prepare our employees, our colleagues on the generative AI skills. Also, there is a lot of focus on building capabilities around cloud. And these two things together are ensuring that our developers who are doing day-to-day jobs are actually becoming AI experts, so to say. So 2-3 things happen here, right? One, how do you ensure that the right consent mechanism is in place? So we are very particular about that. Second thing is, how do you store data? Where do you store data? Is it rightly encrypted or not? That's the second part. And third, the entire regulatory framework, right? So we ensure that whatever we do is highly regulated. Whatever data goes out to the public cloud is always encrypted and not the PII exposed data which goes out. And also the entire consent framework across the company. So DPP Act, is going to come, but I think we have been very cognizant of that rule already. So any data which resides in the system remains in the system. There was a time when Excel sheets used to flow from one people to another. All those things have been stopped completely in the company. Everyone has an access. They come, they do the system wise triggers to a customer if they have to do. And practically nobody in the company has an access to the PII data, so to say, which is very confidential for a customer. So we're doing 3 things essentially, right? One, we are working a lot on the data quality part, right? That is all. Data governance is an element, right? How do we get the right data? How do we ensure it is coming in the right time? Second, around the entire ingestion engine, like the entire data lake, how do we ensure that layer is set? Once these 2 things are done, then we build the AI solutions on top of it. And those are happening either through an AI or an ML or actually a generative AI as a new age thing which is happening. So a lot of LLM models are being used in the company now, which we are building natively with the help of our own engineers as well. I think we're just getting started here. That's what I feel in the cloud and AI. I think it's a very early time, early years which we are seeing as a traction. I see no reason why this entire euphoria around generative AI will remain only a euphoria. I think it is for real, for sure. But at the same time, we have to be very cognizant about the security aspect, the regulatory aspect, the ethical aspect of AI. But I think we are very excited about it, and we are doing multiple POCs around generative AI.